All right. The next set of measurements that we are going to be going over are ones that you are all very, very familiar with, and it's time. So let's go ahead and start off with seconds in a minute. And you know this, it's 60 seconds in 1 minute. Okay, how many minutes are in an hour? And again, this is one that you know, 60 minutes in an hour. And then hour to day, 24 hours in a day. All right. How many days are in a week? You know, it's 7 days in a week. How many weeks are in a year? And this is one that many of you may not know. 52. Okay. How many days are in a year? And you guys know that one, 365. And then the very last one, how many months in a year? And of course, you guys know that is 12 months. So that one's super easy. Again, remember, we can flip these anytime that we need to. So as far as time goes, as a measurement, you know these very, very well.